Hello, today we're going to graph our points from our round robin. We're going to talk about all the parts of our answer and put it together and hopefully help you understand this. Okay, look with me at round robin. Everybody did round robin and these are you have all your answers. So we're going to use one box for problem number 1 on this paper where we graph and show all about it. So here's number 1. It asks for a rate. We're going to go straight to our problem. Everything's there on our problem. It says 47.85, and that's money, so we have the unit, for 15 gallons. Put your units. This is the original problem, so you're just writing it on there. Now I need to know my independent value, which is the one that changes and tells Y what it's going to be. Gallons. X is for gallons. The more gallons you have, the more money you spend. Y is money. It's the cost. How much you spend depends on how much gallons you get, so that's why Y is dependent. These two vocabulary words are important. You'll see them often. Now the symbolic view, we've written it like this before on our warm-up. Please follow along. Please write what I write. Y equals KX. Well, here's the Y. It's our money. What's my money on this problem? We're using this problem. 47.85 is my Y. I divide it by 15. Oh, I'm sorry. I did that wrong. I'm doing the other one. 47.85 is my Y. It equals K, which is my unit rate. And we know my unit rate because it's on my problem. We found it. Times X, which was 15. From right here, we divided these two numbers, and this is what we got. Now we're going to write it in this form. That's what I did the first time. K equals 319. That's my unit rate. Unit rate's called K, and it equals, and this is what we did to get our K, our unit rate, 47.85 divided by 319. So it comes back here and says, okay, now what's my unit rate? What's my K? What's my constant of proportionality? Those are synonyms for the same thing. How much for one? 319. Every bit of this information was on round robin. We're just putting it in a different way. So now we're going to come up here and make our table. Our X and Y. X is gallons. Y is money. So I'm going to put in here 0, 0, because when nothing's happened, I've spent no money. And then I'm going to say, well, they told me how much for 1. They made me find out how much for 1, so it was 319. Then they asked me how much for 8, and I found out it was 25.52 because I multiplied 319 times 8 gallons of gas. And they already told me the 15 gallons, so I'm going to put 15 gallons in my original problem, 47.85. So now I have ordered pairs from my answers of X and Y. X and Y are ordered pairs. So I'm going to say X is what? X is gallons. So I'm going to label this gallons. Y is money. I've already told myself, and I know this. Y is money. Now I wrote a little big. I got a little crowded there, so I'm putting my money up here. So here's my 0. I'm going to come over for 1. Then I'm going to skip over a little for 8.